Hello mga ka-vlog! Summer season na naman at oras na para maglangoy. Today, we are here at the Malinaw River located at Nagcarlan, Laguna. Pero bago tayo mag-dive in, mag-pause muna tayo saglit and let's talk about the do's and don'ts when swimming in running water para maging safe, fun at eco-friendly ang summer adventure natin this year.
Swim with the body. Mas masaya na, mas safe pa, and if anything happens, may tutulong agad. Tara!
Do check the water first. Tingnan kung malalim ba. May malakas na agos. O may mga batong naka-ambush.
Wear the right gear. Do wear proper gear like slipper to protect your feet from rock and glass.
Do learn how to float. Kapag nadala ka ng current, relax and float on your back. And most especially, do not panic. Next up, alamin naman natin ang mga don'ts.
Don't dive headfirst. Dahil hindi mo sure kung malalim ba or may mga bato.
Don't swim alone dahil walang lifeguard dito, kaya always swim with someone.
Don't fight the current. Pag nadala ka, swim diagonally or float until you reach calmer waters.
Don't litter. Ang kalikasan ay para sa lahat. Ibalik natin ang ganda ng ilog sa pamamagitan ng tamang proper waste disposal.
So that's it mga ka-vlog. Tandaan na mas masarap magtampisaw sa ilog kapag safe ka na, responsible ka pa. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down your favorite river spot. At tandaan, wag puro aral, enjoy living. See you on our next vlog. Bye!